One time I picked up a cat. Was thrown from, I think from a high-rise building. The head, the skull had been ripped open. All the intestine was out. I don't know how high and how hard they threw the cat. That's the worst that I've seen. I picked up myself. That's the worst. That's the worst. And it's only a small cat. It's about 6 months old. Very beautiful cat. It's white cat. The head has been bashed. The intestine all come up. Very bad.
Soon, baby, I will cry my last tear. Soon, yeah.
I took from in front of my unit, and then, as you know, that the toothpick was embedded into the eyeball, and it was quite some times. I can't remember what year was it. And then I bring it to the vet, have the eyeball taken out. Both eyes are now blind. Okay, this is a cat that I rescued about 10 years ago. Still alive, healthy and fine. This cat also been picked up. I don't know what happened to the leg, but according to the vet, because of it's already too late, so the leg has to be amputated, and he's still alive now. I think he's about 11 years old. And this is the one that I showed you that I picked up. I don't know what happened. I think he's now 11 years old. It's too old already. 11 years old. Still going strong. And this is the latest that I picked up from the factory side. The neck has been slit, opened, died. Too late to be rescued. This shows how cruel humans are. For those who like to abuse animals, please, this is life. God created human and God create animals. We have feelings, they too have feelings. They can feel the pain, and we too feel the pain. They are hungry, we are hungry too. So try to be kind Try to understand. Try to value what you feel and what they feel. Try to respect them. Because I believe animals is the best medicine in the world.
There's a hero if you look inside your heart. You don't have